British Crown assumed sovereignty over India from the East Indian Company in the year? Answer: 1838. The Ashokan inscriptions were engraved in which script? Answer: Brahmi. The first Indian satellite Aryabhatta was launched in? Answer: 1975. Who was the Viceroy at the time of Quit India movement? Answer: Lord Linlithgow. The Pune Pact 1932 was an agreement between Gandhi and Ambedkar. A book entitled The Hindus, an Alternative History is written by? Answer: Wendy Doniger. The policy of imperial preferences adopted by Britain in its colonies in 1932 is also known as the Ottawa Agreement. Which religion was propounded by Mughal Emperor Akbar in 1582 AD with the intention of merging the best elements of different religions? Dinilahi. The Rathas of Mahabalipuram was built during the reign of? Answer: Pallavas. In 1739, who defeated the Mughal army at the Battle of Karnal? Answer: Nader Shah. The first battle of Panipat in 1526 was fought between the Lodi Empire and? Answer: Babar. Which Sikh Guru called himself the Sacha Badshah? Answer: Guru Hargobind. Fahian visited India during the reign of? Answer: Chandragupta II. What is the name of the place where Buddha attained enlightenment? Answer: Bodh Gaya. Who was the first Viceroy of India? Answer: Lord Canning. Prithviraj Chauhan was defeated in the second battle of Tarain by? Answer: Muhammad Ghori. The city of Prayag was named Allahabad, the city of Allah, by? Answer: Akbar. The Uttara Mirur inscriptions provided information on the administration of? Answer: Cholas. Rowlatt Act 1919 was enacted during the period of? Answer: Lord Chelmsford. Panchayat Raj system was implemented first in which pair of states? Answer: Andhra Pradesh and Rajasthan. Who is known as the Napoleon of India? Answer: Samudragupta. Who was the founder of Lodi dynasty? Answer: Bahlul Khan Lodi. Which was the first hydropower project in India? Answer: Shivasamudram in Karnataka. Who is considered founder of the Gupta Empire? Answer: Sri Gupta. The first Mysore War fought between the British and Hyder Ali in 1767 to 1769 AD came to an end by the Treaty of Madras. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.